Haryana is one of the most prominent dual-purpose cattle breed in the Indo-Gangetic Plain and named according to the breeding tract of the breed, the state of Haryana. The breed was earlier known as Hisar and Ansi. The breed is said to have been evolved by combining several native breeds. The breeding tract of the breed includes Hisar, Rohtak, Sonapet, Gurgaon, Jind and Jahar districts of Haryana. Typically, the breed is white or light grey colored with a coffin-shaped skull. They have strong, proportionate bodies and are compact and graceful. In bulls, color in between fore and hind quarters is relatively dark or dark grey. The animals have long and narrow face, flat and bony head with prominence in the center of poll. The face is long and narrow with black, bright eyes and black muzzle. The neck is long and slender with small and sharp ears close to the body. The dual lap is present in this breed while the navel flap is absent. The males have larger shoulder hump and a shorter penis. The horns are glossy and smooth and somewhat horizontal, growing longer, curving upwards and inwards in the bullocks. The tail is thin, short and tapering towards the end with a black switch reaching just below the hocks. The limbs are sturdy, moderately long and thin and hooves are black in shape. The pin bone is prominent and far apart in females but close in males. The females have prominent teeth and the udder is well developed, extended well forward and the veins over udder are prominent. The Haryana is a medium-sized cattle breed. Average height of the bull is between 132 and 155 centimeters at the withers and between 127 and 140 centimeters for the females. Average live body weight of the mature bulls is around 430 kg and the mature cows weigh around 310 kg on average. The Haryana cattle are very strong and hardy animals. They are disease resistant and well adapted to the local conditions of North India. The breed is mainly maintained for bullock production as they are powerful work animals. The bulls are well suited to fast road work, being able to pull a 1-ton load at 2 miles per hour and cover 25 miles a day. More attention is paid in managing male cows. However, the cows also produce fair amount of milk. Cows produce about 10 to 15 liters of good quality milk a day. Cows can produce even up to 1700 kilograms of milk in a lactation, with average cows producing around 997 kg in a lactation. Haryana cow breed has been exported to southern parts of America and Latin America. This indigenous breed of cattle is alarmingly close to extinction due to the trend of crossbreeding cattle for high yield of milk and inclination towards rearing buffaloes in North India. Pedigree herds are maintained at some government farms. There are gosalas, cow shelters which help by rearing abandoned cows. At present, the estimated population of this breed is around 16.5 lakhs. Initiatives taken by the Haryana Livestock Development Board or HLDB to implement Haryana Pedigree Selection project have developed much interest among the farmers and they have started appreciating the efforts of HLDB for improving the indigenous breeds of cattle.